Hello and welcome back to my desk. Today we have an unboxing from Spootlight Stationery and it is the August 2020 box. The post is getting back to normal, I'm getting back to normal, and we are going to indulge ourselves in a little stationery after work. I have carefully taken this out of the postal box that it comes in, so as you can see one of the pens is already peeking out from the tissue paper. As always, I have split the sticker with my handy dandy knife to make sure that I can do this as noiselessly as possible. So let's get to it. As always, you get your personalized envelope, which is a lovely touch. And inside here will be the postcards for the artists that Spootlight Stationery are working with this month. We have some lovely koi fish, what I think is a ginkgo leaf, a princess and her dragon, I know somebody who's going to like that, and a self-portrait, one assumes, of an artist. I say assumes, there is of course lots of information given about each of the artists and their work and their social medias if you want to follow up with any of the artists that are featured in the box. This box ships from the UK, unlike many stationery boxes, and every month Spootlight Stationery support a charity. Now, I like to not read the sheet. I like to look at the box and just see what we go, but sometimes I do have to refer to the sheet, especially if it is an unusual item. So the little blue pen that was peeking out, let's see what we have here. Very nice. Oh, lovely. Hopefully that is, it's a fountain pen. My skills with fountain pens are dubious at best, but still a lovely item. And I keep holding it upside down. It is classic me. So let's at least read the theme of this month's box. There's always a theme. This month's theme, introducing stationery from brands which you might not be so familiar with. So the theme is introducing. And indeed, I'm not familiar with the brand that the pen came from. Pencils, can never have too many pencils. And no, I am once more not familiar with that brand. Lovely pencil, sort of a purple colouring, and nice pencil there. I do like me a pencil. Not really sure yet. And I dare not pronounce some of the things. Let's pop that out of the way because it's creating a little bit of shine. And let's pick this up and see if we can make out what it is. Goodness me. Seems to be a very intricate sort of envelope. Let me not do this an injustice. And again, upside down, my goodness me. Carry on your conversation at pigeonpost.com. What have we got here? An innovative combination of letters, origami, and funky designs. Oh, I see. So the idea is that presumably you write your letter on the inside, and then potentially, if you fold it a different way, I don't quite understand. But I'm sure I will figure it out, and I will now make a hames of folding that up. So I'll put that to one side, but that is an intriguing little design, and a cousin of mine is going to be very interested to see that, as she has an interest in origami. And another one, a second one. Oh, that's a lovely colour. So I will have to learn how to use these. Let's see. Oh yes, you see, I'm an idiot. So yes, you write letter on the inside, and then you can fold it up. That is very sweet. I do like that. Would you look at this? Let me just get this out so that it's not shining on the camera. Look at that card. That is beautiful. It just so happens I actually have hot air balloons as the sort of decals stickers on my computer. That's quite lovely. Let's see who that's by actually. I can see myself purchasing presumably Bomo. Let's just double check on the return. Yeah, Bomo art. Isn't that lovely? Billed as a postcard, came with an envelope. Not sure if it will do that on the website that actually does them, or if Spotlight have included that envelope to go with that postcard. So that's something we'll have to check. Now, the pièce de résistance, a notebook. Archie's calligraphy, a dotted notebook. Mary, Mary, Mary. I might have mentioned on occasion that my preference is for dots or blanks or squares rather than lines. I find lines quite confining. Sorry, just while I get this off and get that shine out of, but this is stunning. Exquisite Archies. And look, everybody, 3 page markers, and in such lovely muted colours, a mustard, sort of a deep brick red, and a lovely sort of olive green there. So let's have an open. Oh, look at that pouch at the back. Lovely. We love a pouch. Isn't that gorgeous? Of course, you can't quite appreciate. Oh yeah, we like that. We'll certainly be looking those up. Excellent. Apologies for the slight wobble there on the camera as I knock things over. Really quite a beautiful one, and sorry friends and family, you will not be getting that one from me. That is staying in my collection, hopefully to be used sooner rather than later, as the collection is quite large. So another lovely box from Spotlight Stationery. Apologies for any flubs, because of course, as I say, I do try to do the unboxing without the sheet, but for a box like this, where we are in fact introducing the more unusual stationery that we're not familiar with from the high street, I probably could have done it more justice by reading from the sheet. But I look forward to another box next month, and I will speak to you all soon again. Thank you.